Hi, today I'm Friday with Zenfone 10 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open first the control panel. In here you'll see all of the available options. To add here some new options or just to remove some of these options or just to change the positions of the icons, we should click here to this edit icon, scroll down and you'll see here this down section with all of the invisible options. To add them to the panel, we should just hold the icon and drag it by this way. Just hold and drag it to the subsection. To remove some of the icons from the panel by the same way, hold the icon and drag it to the down. And to change the positions of the icons, we should just hold and drag them. As you can see, that's all simple. To reset the changes, click to these three dots and tap to reset, or to save the changes, click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.